I bought this keyboard for about $8. It's a wireless keyboard with this receiver transmitter little thing, and I decided to take it apart because I don't like it, but not because of the things I read online. So many people complain about double presses or keystrokes that weren't recorded and transmitted and stuff, and delays, but I didn't have any issues with those. My main problem is that the keys are kind of hard to press, and it doesn't allow fast typing. I don't know why. I get them at an angle and then it makes me mad if I can't press it right. I don't know why. I'm kind of used to the mechanical keyboard, which reacts exactly the same always. And yeah, I think I spoiled myself, and I no longer enjoy this slim membrane keyboard. So I'm going to take this apart and hopefully transplant the electronics into an older mechanical keyboard that I took apart a long time ago and ruined. And yeah, hopefully I can connect it to the wireless module, and then I'll have a mechanical wireless keyboard, hopefully. Of course, probably without the lights. Backlighting is problematic, but even then I don't really care. I don't really need to use it in the dark, so yeah. Let's take it apart. I mean, try. So many screws. Yeah. Just here. Oh wait, I didn't follow the #1 electronics rule. Take out the battery first. Take out the battery before working on electronics, or disconnect it from the power. Yeah. Okay, now we can take it apart. You don't want to get shocked by 1.5 volts. Actually, it's for the safety of the device mostly. You can survive 100 volts, 200 volts for short periods, but you ruin the device, and that's not good. Let's take out all the screws. There are some here that hold the electronics. Probably. Oh, and there's some electronics at the battery bay too. Or just at the battery bay. I don't know how these are built. I never took apart a wireless keyboard of this nature. With just one battery, and it's here, apart from the, far away from the electronics. So we'll see. So many screws, come on. Come on, out. One more row here. 5 screws, I think. And yeah. So this is a perfectly good keyboard for most people, but I really hate the press. How you can press the buttons, keys. I used to like these flat keyboards. Slim, slim and fat. Slim fat. But not anymore. I got spoiled by the proper mechanical ones. Yeah. Okay, let's take this out. This is just a piece of very interesting. Okay. Piece of plastic. Here are the circuits that I'll have to replicate for the Oh, this is interesting. The rubber things are stuck to the to the circuits. That's always good. So they don't fall over all over the place. That's a good idea. I think I leave it like this. Okay. Lots of extra pads for other types of keyboards. So this is a universal whatever. SX. What's it called? Let's try it here. SX FX K2836 Vera or Venia, Veria. What are you? You can't read it. Oh well. So yeah, I have to replicate these circuits to the mechanical keyboard and then connect them to this little circuit that does all the transmissions and stuff. Come on, get out. Get out. Yeah. Can I get these out too? The positive and negative. No, they're... Oh, yeah, okay. They're kind of stuck, but I have to get them out. Ugh. Okay. So here it is. Let's just focus. So yeah, here it has a name. EPK139107BK50 whatever, revision number 2Q16 or 2016 0701, and there's not a capacitor there. Oh yeah, it's a caps lock. Wait, it has LED for the caps lock. That's interesting. I should have put those in with a resistor and a caps lock. Whatever. It's nice to know that it could do that, but yeah, nice. It also has a small winding coil, whatever you call it, and yeah, a quartz for the radio transmissions probably, and nothing else is very interesting. Some soldering jobs here that are really weird. I don't know if you can see it, but those two are just soldered over the circuit board. That's kind of weird. But yeah, this will be good to use in the mechanical keyboard. In an upcoming video, I will attempt to do that.